Borjan Development Society pen Bogazan Cement Corporation of India Managing Director of Pinpur Alu Kelo Rongkhang Constituency ke Parlo Longboy Lingding Devaguri Buguri Arong Langkanglu MEC pen Kerap ke Pajir Dipurong Supia Tawar Ajam ke Pathe Along Sangpimar Atum Kacerabdun Kardom ada berta long pani le berta than bak thari harmony be non berta ton pen arjik tha Borjan Development Society pen pai sirkep ani Delhi along kido Bogazan Cement Corporation of India a managing director of Panongsi Bogazan Cement Corporation of India General Manager Aldeng Ipak Pinpur Alu Pajir Pinpur Alu along Borjan Development Society atumpen kepaklang ateng ke Borjan Hawar along Faruk Krisir Kepra Troxy Kepra hini aning kan pen Cement Corporation of India atum Cement Harong Kipur Pangchenglo Cement Corporation of India atum ha kecheng pen pini arni anta cement kipur asai ington telang pining an ke ningkan plikebra trok an plengtanglo lana ningkan cement kipur asai claim that apita Borjan awar along kijun alang towar lapen rihing ame awar sai Cement Corporation of India pen akera pipe voreng awar sai anta longle Bogazan Cement Corporation of India atum te claim kedam kechok che aputhak Kepachini jia pan Delhi along kedo Bogazan Cement Corporation of India a chairman mate managing director upon Panongsi Bogazan Cement Corporation of India general manager upon Pinpur Alu Pajir Dipurong Supia Tawar Ajam ke Pathe along Sangpimar Atum Kacerap Kacetudun Asonsi Heglong Rong Supia Tawar ke Pathe Langpen Kelang me asai along Sangpimar Atum Kacerabdun Panner Kebra Kebduji Sangpi Marsita alang litum aju si tuwar sai ke claim dun tuwar along sai ke claim dun asang pi mar atum aphan dihin suri phokep kerap ki pg alam ta team car banglo kleng sarpo mate cm tuliram rokhang tuwar ke salam adim kelang damahut ningje West Car Benglong Rongkhang Constituency ke Parlo Longboy Linding Devaguri Lapet Buguri Arong Langkanglum Ajok Rong Asor Siksak Olupusi Rong Amerikar pen Kadnew Saphan Pachini MEC Horen Singpe lapen ari sang ho tum pai sirkep arni langkang lum arar phan chetong damsi sang lapen pe ari rondam pota birta long thu nan malam support phan birta mo ington ponik sina
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason lapen thesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam thu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihina mu piputhat bertalong wangthulu West Car Benglong Duar Amla Constituency ke Parlo Boxong Gilepata along pai sirkep arni Swat Surweksang Gramin 2018 aputhak Rong Asaraphan ke Pachini jiaphan isi cherok tokamai padu MBC Probat Chandru Taro lapen hamren PHSI kam asai pu atum chitong dunsi hemrit penchenglok barpi barso ke do ahem rong rup kacharli ahem sekachelang ahem arkok arpexi pangthir et nangji pusi kachetong ara tumphan than Pachini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Banget Hom MEC Tumaphan District Chief Justice Court along Pai Nipai Sir Cap Arni Ada Por Pai Cap Apor Herring upon Kehanga Berta Card News along Bertanang Pale MEC Horen Singpe Lapen Ari Sang Ho to Pai Sir Cap Arni Langkang Lum Arara Panchetong Damsi Sang Lapen Peari Rondam Pota Berta Long to Ada Berta Bang Lapan Sikang Ton Pangilo Dume Takbe Kurung to